Precitec is the world's leading provider of system solutions in the field of optical measurement technology and laser material processing. Our cutting heads are already used worldwide in 2D laser cutting machines to process sheet metal of various thickness with high dynamics and high cutting speeds. These cutting heads already have sensor solutions for condition monitoring, which means to prevent downtime and damage of the machine. The challenge now is to process and evaluate the current status data so that future behavior can be inferred. Thanks to the BMBF-funded project bi.smart, Precitec was able to develop valuable approaches to the digital transformation of products. The project's aim was to increase the cutting speed by predicting the thermal behavior of our cutting optics. Developing and testing a functional prototype helped us to collect extensive field data and evaluate AI models in terms of their predictability. We did this very successfully. We are determined to continue on the path of digital transformation. In the next step, we dedicate ourselves to identify customer-specific service needs. We would like to enable our customers to use spare and wear parts efficiently.